This video is going to show you how to log into your WordPress dashboard using Hostinger. After logging in your Hostinger on your browser, you are going to get to this page, and here I'll just quickly show you how to purchase Hostinger plan for those of you that do not have Hostinger plan. These are all the available plans here. Very easy to choose your plan and buy. Hostinger is very helpful if you want to build websites with WordPress. This is what I have been using and I highly recommend. So for those of us that have the dashboard already, Hostinger, we are going to log in using our login details. For me, I used Google because it's easier and faster. So I'm going to log in using my Google account and signing in. Once you sign in, it's going to take you to your Hostinger dashboard. This is what it looks like. You are going to tap on the website because that is where you're going to get your WordPress dashboard from. So this is the section for the website. As you can see, this is my website. This is the admin, and that's the dashboard there. Whichever one you click is going to take you directly to your WordPress dashboard. As you can see in the video, this is it, redirecting you to your WordPress dashboard. 1, 2, and here we are. So this is basically what your WordPress dashboard looks like. And if this video was helpful to you, please like, share and comment, and also follow us for more WordPress and Hostinger website videos. Thank you so much. Orla Creates here.